So here we are at Sriracha Nagar, and we're going to be cooking now the Khmer barbecue style food. And basically this is do it yourself, so you can come here, book this table, and cook yourself. The chefs will be there to assist you if you need. It's a very simple one. I'm going to show you how it's going to be done. So starting with the adding stock to our this beautiful dish. So this broth is simmering already, so I've put warm broth into it, and what I'm going to do is now add the vegetables. As this vegetable are getting simmered, we're going to start to grill our meat. So we're going to be applying a little bit of oil. And then we have a meat out here. So this is chicken which has been marinated with salt and a little bit of oil, and that's about it. And we have an option of sauces. So interestingly, we can add any of this sauce, to the marination, and then cook it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to initially grill it without any of the sauces, and then I'm going to be finishing with one of your favorite sauce. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm starting with the chicken slices. So it's going to take a couple of minutes to getting seared at one side, and then we're going to shift it to the other side as well. So in the meantime, let me show you the sauces which we have. So you need to select your favorites. Yeah. So out here we have the pepper sauce. So this is our very flavorsome black pepper sauce. Then this is the house sambal, what we do. Then this one is basically a soy oyster sauce which is done with a cooking wine and with a little bit of basil and coriander. And then we have the house creaming sauce, our sriracha. So take your pick, and I will use the same sauce for finishing. Nicely getting done. So your selection, which one? Is it the house creaming? Yeah, good choice, I must say. So with this, what is happening is your vegetables are getting cooked, and the juices which is coming out from your chicken, and that is enhancing the further flavor of the stock. So once this is fully ready, it's going to come in a bowl with vegetables, with the choice of noodles or all your vegetables, of course, on top of it, and then the grilled meat. So that's what all this Khmer barbecue is all about. And of course, addition of the sauces is also at the table. So we have given you the similar sauces at the table as well. You can further enhance the spice level, the flavor portion of your bowl as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So starting with some of our spinach leaves. Perfect picture time. You have everything what you need in this Khmer barbecue ready, and we're going to be just turning our chicken once and applying some more sauce. Starting, so we are just adding the base of the noodles. That's going in the bowl. Here you go, for you, coming right away. Let's go.